Hi everyone, this is Katie here. Today is Tuesday, 28 October 2025, second trading day of the week. Let's take a look at the watch list here. VIX, the CBOE Volatility Index, 16.11 plus 2.03%. Generally, market is on a bearish price action here. Any significant moves for today in my portfolio? I don't see any significant moves here. Still a neutral consolidating cycle for all the stocks in my portfolio. I guess it's because I think still waiting for the PCE data and the Fed decision before it could go either way. But I think general consensus is that the Fed will be dovish and rates will be cut. Hence, expect a bullish market at the end of the week here. So let's see, when will it happen? 31st October. So this Friday, we will know what is the direction. But probably, hopefully, it will be upward direction here. Okay, back to trades that has been placed here. So let's see. Today is a short tactical cleanup here, rotating out of expiring calls and also reloading premium slightly higher and parking some steady income via a new STZ wheel anchor. So for JD here, I actually closed JD $34 call October 31st, and then open another position at November 7th, $34 same strike price. Roll 1 week further away, which is about 38 cents credit here. So it's the same delta but cleaner theta. It's the kind of roll you do not for direction but for you efficiency. So that roll forward locks premium through earning drift without exposing me to weekend decay. Next, STZ here. Just sold STZ November 1,430 puts at a credit of 1.5. It's about 1% here. 1% premium gain, more than 1% premium gain here. So it's a credit here. Small size, just 6 contracts in total to start building a fresh wheel candidate. So the risk and reward, it's low IV skew, strong balance sheet, and 1.5 premium means nearly 1% yield for the stable exposure. So I think today it's a maintenance day, clearing the theta clutter and securing higher forward premium. Nothing fancy, just surgical control over yield flow. So that's all for today. So if remember to like this YouTube video and subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on your notification bell. Have a great day, everyone. Signing off here.